Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this monitor setup with the working spinny chair. These are all the pieces you'll need.
My baby little legs.
Be quiet, Dad. Please be quiet. I'm just warning you guys, the keyboard that you see might be different because I don't remember the pattern. I'll try my best to, but I don't think I will, so the keyboard you saw in the thumbnail is not going to be available. Here are all the pieces you'll need. These things are 1x2 plates. Okay, let's start building this. First, you're gonna take a 4x8. Stick these 1x1 plates on. Then I'm gonna take two 1x1 bricks with the stud and place them on a slant. Then take your two monitor screens, pop them on the stud like that. Just like that. I have the first part of the build done. I can't believe Lego Paradise didn't do this. Well, probably he did. But you made a fan and stuff. Okay guys, now it's for the tricky wicky part. Keyboard. So, I don't remember the pattern, but just add all these tiles like I'm doing. Randomize it. You can create your own keyboard. I don't care really. Create it. I don't care. Lego's about your creativity. So this is the keyboard I did make right here, and I'm just gonna slam it on there. Javier. And let's just put these things. Let's just put these 1x1 plates a little back with the monitor. So we create space for the keyboard. So just like this. Boris is behind me. Okay, there we go. That's that done. Now, just put the keyboard on. Like in the middle like that. All these black plates are for our little speakers. All these black plates. So they're for our speakers, so let's keep them aside. But now, let's make a spinny chair with these two Technic pins. And put them in this one like that. And put it on this round tile plate with the hole and put the chair piece on there. Now, for the under things, for these, just stack 2 1x1 bricks with the Technic holes 3-4 times. You should have these table legs. Put them right underneath of the table, just like this. Or you could do it slant like that. Oh, wait a minute, where'd it go? Just put them underneath of your table legs, like this. Like that. And the TV desk might come apart a bit. You can fix it. Now we're done with our desk. Now put this assembly aside. Now time to make the speakers. All you have to do is stack four plates high. So it's 4 plates high. So it should be 2x2 studs long. I'm making it 4 studs high, like this. So like it's this block of 4 studs high. Now repeat that with our other creative pieces. Use any black pieces, anything you'd like, but if you'd like to follow what I'm doing right here, please do if you'd like. Now for one reason, I don't know, one is shorter than the other. You don't need 4 plates, it's 3 plates now. But that still questions me. What are these 2 for? Good question. I don't know. This is weird. Oh, weird for something. I don't know what these for, but just like to. They're not taller than each other, just for preps, you see. Did I use any black parts anywhere? I don't see other black plates, but that's the build for today. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me show you how to set it up. 2 of these Lego blocks on each side, table or spinny chair, and for proof, it actually does spin. It just spin like that. And put your minifigure on the chair. You type just like that. Oh my god. After that, put your minifigure on the chair and let him go to work. And this is a present for my dad. Since I broke his old present, I made a new one for him. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Share this video with someone you love. And goodbye.